Today I'm going to be interviewing this slime. So, yeah, it's a really good slime, and I put a crown on it. That's why I think it's so good, because, yeah, it's because it's crown slime, and, really sticky. And well, it's not sticky. It doesn't stick to your hands, actually. But, it stretches a lot if you do it, like, slowly. But you can't be, like, crazy with it, or it'll break really easily. But, like, it's a really good slime with a really easy recipe. All you need is Elmer's glue and any kind of detergent, clothes or detergent or something. But yeah, this is really good slime. Like, if you hold it, it will start to melt in your hand a little bit. So, I love how sticky it is. So, it's really squishy. You can blow bubbles with it like a balloon, but it sometimes sticks to your lips, which is gross. But it can stretch a lot. Oh yeah, and this is my pet toad. He's in here somewhere. He's really tiny, but he's growing. I've had him for like 4 days or something. Okay, Cameron! Okay, I'll just put it like that. So, it stretches a lot. And it's pokey. And you could just do anything with this. So let me blow it up. So you make a little cup like that and go. And then you close it off and you can like hold it. It's really cool because it's like a really big bubble. It's nice and squishy. And then you can just, you can also blow it with what's it called? Straw. You can also blow it with a straw. So that is it for this slime interview. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't ask why this looks really creepy and why I put those on. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll watch more of my slimy videos. Bye. Yeah.